So I'm going to go into my contemporary Russian squat. I'm going to hinge forward. I'm going to connect under the shoulders. First, I'm just going to practice pulling. Now, I have the spring tension pretty heavy because I'm going to go up to a standing squat, and I need a little bit more spring to help support me. So I'm just practicing the movement right here like this. I'm staying connected under the shoulders. I'm initiating the movement from the shoulder girdle while also lifting up from the pelvic floor. Now, I'm going to slowly find my balance and stand up. I'm right here like this. I'm going to stay low. I'm going to continue to pull. I'm going to give myself 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, I'm going to pull as I slowly stand up, and then I'm going to slowly squat down as low as I can. Stay connected under the shoulders, lifting from the pelvic floor. I pull as I come up, then slowly coming back down. Let's do 3 more. Big inhale as I lift. I'm not jetting up too fast. It has to be control. Last one. Now, I'm going to bring my right foot to the center. I'm going to bring my left knee down. Shimmy that right foot forward. Now, I'm going to hinge forward just a tad bit more. Connecting under the shoulder, I'm going to pull it back for 5, 4, 3, 2, last one right here, 1. Now from here, I'm going to extend the back leg long. I'm going to stay connected under the shoulders as I pull it back for 5. A lot of work in that right leg. I've got 4. I'm going to lift a little bit higher in my upper body for 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, I'm going to bring my hands back just a hair. Hold it right there. I'm going to stay low. Balance, and I'm going to extend the leg up. I'm going to go down and up for 5. So much control and balance here. 4. It's not a big range of movement. 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to stay low, just the back leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly switching legs. Bringing the knee down. I'm going to bring my hands back up to the ropes, connect under the shoulders, pulling it back for 5. I've got 4, 3, 2, last one right here. Now, I'm going to bring my weight into that left foot, lengthening the right leg long, and this time I start to pull. I've got 5, 4, 3, coming up a little bit higher. Woo, almost lost it. 2, and 1. Now, I'm going to bring my hands out just a little bit for balance. Going to lift the right leg off of the reformer, off of the box, up and down for 5. This leg's harder for me. 4, 3, 2, and I have to keep it above that foot bar. 1, stay low. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That